21st floor and kasama natin yung mga... Uy, may tao pala. Akala ko pa there sa likod. This is Verge. So, ito yung merienda time namin. So, accordingly, this is the last free merienda from Lakeside. So, ito yung pinakilala ko kahapon. Our coffee prince, si Oche. So, ngayon, medyo upgraded na yung serving niya. May mga names na. And then, when it's ready, what will you say? Coffee
Small
prince?
thick mucus frappuccino for 400.
May green na
May bubog na lumulutang.
So, yun. Ito yung mga coffee na
Coffee for Lee.
Yes. Ayan,
Pwede na
yung
maging
coffee
barista.
kay Birds. And then yung guwapo daw supposedly kay Oche, but I don't know if anybody would protest. And coffee for Jackie, our new recruit. And then ito yung free merienda namin for this Thursday. Yung
Sama mo yun is fruit.
Krispy Kreme. How was the Krispy Kreme, Jackie?
Tamis?
Tamis? Uy,
Good luck na lang.
Angela!
Good luck na lang. Magja-jogging pa ako mamaya.
Jungle.
I have a complaint. This is not on my coffee.
No, ma'am, that's actually added value. It's our special.
Where's a what?
It's not.
Like mucus.
It makes your coffee savory.
That's the sweet and sour
Sweet
special.
Salty.
Really? They
Sweet,
ordered
sour,
a
and
regular
salty.
cappuccino.
No, that's added bonus.
Jacket.
Ang dami pang ang dami pang yun, sugar
Push pins
glaze. Anong tawag dito? Sugar glaze?
Honey glaze.
Honey glaze. Okay, hindi pala sugar. Sorry naman. Tapos meron pang available. Si Angela kanina pang kinukurot yung yung Oreo covered na donut. Ayan.
Oh my gosh, meron
Pasok tayo
naglalagyan
sa
doon.
HR room. Miss Ruth, last merienda na ba namin yun ngayon?
Depende po. Papasok pa po kayo next week, diba?
Opo, pero baka hindi na kompleto. Pero we can request everybody to come in by Friday
Ano ba yun?
next week.
Video yan?
Opo.
Taga sandali, di ba kami nagtusok na?
Ayan, sige. Balik na lang po kami.
Magtusuklay muna kami.
Ay, next week daw, depende daw kung babalik pa tayo na kompleto next week. So Friday, pwedeng pasok tayo Friday for...
Pwede rin. I don't mind.
Yes.
Kanina kasi
Anyway, I'll be here the entire week.
may big thick wad of cash kanina kasi sila.
Oche, sana yung coffee ko? Yes. What?
Please, please.
Angela, wala ba, Oche, wala bang dance number dyan?
Wait, please, check.
Ayan na yung kanta, oh.
Sir Shy Eat Barista.
Sige na, pang closing lang. So we'll end this video with a dance number from Oche.
I will not dance.
Yan.
Please.
Yung headbang. Headbang Verge. Ayaw din Anyways, magmerienda na po kami. Bye everybody. Say goodbye. You look at them when you say goodbye. Bye-bye.